Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry CC for you. I hope your preparation is going in full throttle. And so here we are back with some tips and tricks to crack any examinations. So as you know, we have done so many shortcut videos of in chemistry, and today we are here with one such example where we'll predict the magnetic nature of any molecules under 10 seconds. So we will predict whether they are paramagnetic or diamagnetic using a simple trick under 10 seconds. And before we move on to the trick, I just want to inform you that we have done a lot of such videos in the past, the link of which I'll give either in the description box below or towards the end of the video. Let's start. So, as we all know, the paramagnetic molecules are the one which has unpaired electrons, and these unpaired electrons will give a net magnetic moment. And therefore, if you're keeping that molecule in an external magnetic field, it will give rise to an attractive interaction between them. Diamagnetic molecules are obviously the opposite, where there is no unpaired electron, no net magnetic moment, and they are, instead of getting attracted in an external magnetic field, they are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. Our trick is very simple. Before that, let's take a look at two representative examples. So, for example, if you have carbon monoxide and you're asked to predict the magnetic behavior of carbon monoxide, first what we do is we'll fill in the orbitals and see whether there are any paired or unpaired electrons. So the filling of the electrons into the orbital looks like this, wherein you have sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p y2, pi 2p z2, and pi 2p x2. And therefore, here there are no unpaired electrons. Everything is paired because every orbital can accommodate two electrons. And therefore, this is the diamagnetic molecule. Coming to oxygen O2, we have the filling of the orbitals using this particular way, where we have the last pi star 2p x1 and pi star 2p y1 having one electron each, meaning that these are unpaired, and therefore, by definition, this should be a paramagnetic molecule. Now, coming to our trick, it's very simple. We will just remember one thing, which is all the number, if the total number of electrons in that molecule is odd, 10 or 16, they will be paramagnetic. And if it's any other even number, then it will be diamagnetic. Once again, odd number of electrons, 10 and 16 will be paramagnetic, and even number of electrons are diamagnetic. Let's just test our rule or the trick into the same representative example, wherein we have carbon monoxide having 6 plus 8, which is 14 as the total number of electrons. And it is indeed a diamagnetic molecule, which actually worked based on our trick as well. Next, coming to oxygen, we have 16, and our rules say that odd 10 or 16 should be paramagnetic. And even before filling the orbitals, we know that it is paramagnetic. So this takes roughly 5 or 6 seconds for the calculation, and therefore you will be able to predict this and save a lot of time in your examination, and you can spend those times into the other questions which might require more time in solving them. So for more tips and tricks, please comment in the comment section below, and also if you find any exceptions where this doesn't work, please do let me know so that we can find something which might be universally applicable. Thank you so much for watching, and please share the video with all your friends who are preparing for any competitive examination, and see you soon with another video. Bye.